Hi, David Odell here with OdellCompleteConcrete. This is this first day on the job. Actually, this has all been prepared by the homeowner. He's a DIY guy. All this stuff that we're gonna see here, he did himself. He ran water, electric, gas for a future barbecue island. He built the patio cover, put the flat screen TV out here, the wall, the whole package. He learned everything that he did here. He did it all from YouTube. All of his products that he bought for his job is all from YouTube videos that he watched. He put the rebar in. He put the channel drain in. He doweled an epoxied rebar into the existing patio. All I'm doing is putting the concrete in. I'm putting the concrete in, and we're gonna set the concrete about a ½ inch below that channel drain, because tile inevitably is gonna go over this entire backyard, over the brick, over the concrete. So everything will be covered with tile, and that's the tile setter. That's when the tile setter guys come in. He's not gonna DIY that part of it. But he saved a ton of money with all the stuff he did himself, that's for sure. And I just broke out the new bowl float here. It's a 4-foot magnesium. Put a little rocker arm on there. This is where the gas and electric came through. In this little trench. So we go over that with a wood hand float, edge in it. The good thing about the edge is that it won't flake off those hard corners, you know, chip out. Even though it's going to get covered with tile anyway, it's still a good idea to edge it. Those little holes in the patio, that's where posts were setting from an existing cover that had been taken down. So we just fill those up, and then the tile will go over it. Now this channel drain dumps into a 3-inch pipe that's below grade that goes all the way to the front, through the curb out into the street. He has just a little bit of slope in the channel drain towards where the 3-inch pipe is at one end. They're 4 inches deep, these channels. It doesn't have a removable, it has no removable grade on top of it, but they're 4 inches deep, 1.5 inches wide, this particular one that he used here, and it has an adapter at the bottom of them where you can go into any size pipe you want for your drain. Now here's the new tool I'm using. It's a red stick Milwaukee makes. It's designed for concrete screeding or rotting. Checking your level as you go out. Real nice item to have when you're doing this kind of stuff. Now, even though we have the joints in this concrete, and it will crack there eventually at some point, that'll give an idea where the tile setter will lay a little rubber strip on top of these lines, or wherever there's cracks. That way that crack won't transfer up through the it's kind of like a slip joint. That way the crack won't reflect up through the tile. Those, you lay those right on the joints or any existing cracks in the patio, and then the tile goes over that. We'll put a broom finish on here, and that'll allow the thin set to adhere really well. No, he's got a drain stubbed up there too for the island, barbecue island. He's planning on having a sink there, so there will be, that'll act as his drain as well. He may even put an electric water heater underneath the cabinet, possibly. That's another option you could do with that. There it is. Here's your finished product. That back wall is all reclaimed wood that's over 100 years old. Very expensive to get that stuff too. Thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, subscribe. If you want to get the notifications as I roll them out, hit the bell, and then you'll get a notification that I've uploaded a new video, so you won't miss any of the videos as I roll them out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.